How do you define career success? To create a visual for you, imagine a blank picture frame. Envision that this frame will highlight your career success definition. What words and pictures would you put inside this frame? Which metrics would you include? Are you only incorporating performance-oriented results? Have you considered a faith-based perspective? My workshops can help you and your colleagues answer this question and fill in the frame. I've run experiential communication workshops for clients around the world and wrote a book called Reframing Career Success. Leveraging these experiences, the Reframing Career Success workshops will help individuals gain clarity, consider how their definition connects to the organization's purpose, glean new ideas on how to connect one's personal faith to work, and connect in a deep and profound way with colleagues. All this will enable attendees to experience peace, contentment, and motivation throughout career highs and lows. Let's discuss how we can customize a workshop for your organization. Contact me at kevin@experientialcommunications.com or visit reframingcareersuccess.com. Thank you very much.